In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and use equations in Google Docs. If you need to add math expressions, formulas, or special symbols to a document, Google Docs has a built-in equation tool that makes the process much easier. Whether you're working on school assignments, reports, or any document that includes mathematical notation, this feature helps you format equations so they look clean and professional. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're in the document where you want the equation to appear and place your cursor roughly where you'd like to insert it. This saves time later and helps keep your formatting organized. Next, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu includes different content types you can add to your document, and the equation tool is located there. Once the Insert menu opens, hover over Symbols. This will expand another menu with more options. You don't need to click right away here. Just move your cursor over it so the sub-menu appears. From that sub-menu, click on Equation. As soon as you do that, Google Docs will activate the equation editor. You'll notice a new toolbar appear near the top left area of the screen. This toolbar is specifically designed for building equations and gives you quick access to a range of mathematical symbols and structures. Now, look at the different math symbol drop-downs in the top left. There are 5 main drop-down menus, and each one contains a collection of symbols or formatting tools. These can include operations, Greek letters, arrows, and other equation elements. If you're not sure where a symbol is, take a moment to click through the menus and get familiar with what's available. That can make future equation editing much faster. When you find the symbol you want to use, click on it. For example, you might choose a divide symbol. The selected symbol will be inserted into the equation area, and from there you can continue building your expression around it. Finally, write out your equation directly on the page and work with the symbols as needed. You can type numbers, letters, and operators, then combine them with the symbols from the equation toolbar to create the exact formula you need. Take your time as you enter the equation so everything appears in the right order and format. And that's it. Once you've inserted the equation tool and explored the symbol menus, creating math expressions in Google Docs becomes much more straightforward. With a little practice, you'll be able to build equations quickly and keep your documents looking polished and easy to read.